this is the Anker 100 watt powerful and portable wall charger. Let's see if it has, it's a Series 7 Anker Prime. Does it have any other name? Anker Prime Charger, 100 watt 3-port GAN. So I'm guessing that's the name. So I had two 60 watt versions of this, and at first I did like it, and it was very nice for my tablet, and it was able to charge my tablet very nicely, especially when I was in class. But I was on vacation in Arrowhead recently, and I only had the 60 watt version. I had my MacBook Pro, and it wasn't really charging all the way. And so I felt it was probably underpowered. Even though it kind of kept charging, it was very, very slow. And, you know, the 60 watt is probably not the best charger for a laptop, but hopefully this one is a little bit better. It should be. It's 100. It says for Apple, Samsung, and more. They're probably talking about the phone. Anker Prime ultra fast charging, 100 watt total output, two USB-C, one USB-A, foldable. The legs are, and I know it's very hard to read here. iPhone 16, 15, and 14, iPad Pro, Air and Mini, MacBook Pro, Air Series, AirPods, Apple Ultra Watch, and then some of the Galaxies, S24, S23, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, the Galaxy Watch 5, Google Pixel 8, and Sony Xperia what? Version 5, I guess. I know you can't read this here, but it says total wattage is 100 watts. Input 100 to 240 volts, 2.1 amp, 50 to 60 hertz. Oh, look at that. That's the input. The output, USB-C 1 top port, 1 port in use, 100 watts. USB-C 1, USB-C 2, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 15 volts, 3 amps, 20 volts, 5 amps, 100 watts. USB-A 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 10 volts, 2.5 amps, 2.25 amps, 12 volts, 1.5, giving you 22.5 watt max. 2 ports in use is 100 watts. 3 ports in use is 100. Okay, so, you know, it's not 100 watts for each port. It says 100 watts total output. Okay, so let's find out. And I guess I don't need a cutting tool. These anchors are really nice. Most of them are. Let's see. Okay. Oops. That's nice. Here's another one. Okay. Slides out very nicely. Wow, nice. It's a bit heavy. Not super heavy, but heavy enough compared to the other ones. Quick start guide, and in very, very tiny print, you'll get to see what you can connect. USB-C, USB-C, USB-A, right? and a lot of writing. And then here's the support if you need it. So you can always click on that. All right, let's put this away. We're probably not going to save the box. I sold both of my Anker, sold both of them, and I didn't have the box. Okay. I mean, you don't need the box, but you could keep it if you're going to sell it. Wow. Okay. Yes. Much heavier. Yeah. A little more heavy than usual. Yes. Very nice. Very solid. Very solid. Okay. How does that compare to something that you might have? There it is. Look at that. So it's not that big. Easily you can put it in your bag. The TomTalk. I did an unboxing of this one. And will it fit in here? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, we'll take this. And, yep, see that? Easily fits there. Portable. I use this when I go to school. It has a lot of my wires. I haven't been putting it together very good. You know, I got these like for my MacBook Pro and some of the cables. I got a nice pen here. This is a 0.7 Pilot G2. I like the 0.1s. Yeah, here it is, 0.1. These are really nice to write, but they get very jelly, very like, you know, sometimes you don't want to write so much, it starts to bleed a little bit. And then these are okay, the 0.7 ones. Well, I keep one over here just in case I need a pen. But you can see it fits very nicely. So that's not going to be a problem. Fits in your pocket, of course. Now, does it display anything? Well, when I get to plug it in, I'll mention it probably in another video. I don't have anywhere to plug it conveniently. IQ 3 for both of these. And it's very nice. Very compact. One thing about these compact ones, which is great, is that sometimes when you're in class and you're working in a active learning classroom, sometimes there are like little slots where there might be a power supply, and a lot of times the bulky Apple, charger, especially for the pros, they're really bulky and they really don't fit in that cubby, in that like compartment. But these will. I've noticed that these will fit in. Sometimes it's a little bit challenging maybe to put in. You might have to put it a little bit, like maybe not like this way, but you have to put it this way instead. Either way, the thing is that these are way more portable and easier in those type of situations. Now you put this against the wall. I've noticed that the one that I was using, they do kind of slip off a little bit, which is unfortunate. Not completely, but you might encounter that. Okay, so this is the Anker Prime 100 watt. I guess that you would call this a wall charger, right? A portable wall charger. Super nice, super convenient. You can get them in Amazon. I'll put the link up. They were on sale, and definitely well worth a look. All right, so I hope you're having a great and safe semester, and we'll be seeing you soon. All right, bye-bye.